Hi everyone, Agnes here, and I'm going to talk to you about doing a vision board for the beginning of the new year. Now, thank you Sal, my good friend Sal of over 30 years in Sydney, Australia, reminded me yesterday how many times we got together on the 1st of January and did these vision boards together. We used to call them treasure maps in the 90s, now they're called vision boards. So we used to cut out pictures out of magazines and spend the whole day drinking tea and eating, whatever we'd made and doing this fun thing together. So I'm going to give you 3 steps that make a good vision board. First thing is use a beautiful, colorful bit of paper. So the paper is important. The pictures are important. Cut them out of magazines. Use beautiful colored pens. Some people use stickers. And for some of the words you can't find, like say you want to have dream home or brand new car or whatever, you can't find certain words in magazines, just write them in big colorful letters. So you do it, make up the gap, as in, if you can't find the picture of the amazing Audi or whatever. So I think, sorry, just distracted by someone walking past. So use the beautiful colored paper, use beautiful images, and then you obviously hang it on your wall. Now, so the first thing is to make it fun. The second thing is to look at it daily, okay? Because it's really important to just enjoy looking at it. Now, number 3, radiate love to it. Imagine being in that car. Imagine, having the dream home and walking in the front door and, having a bath and hanging your legs out over the edge and you've got bubbles up your nose or whatever it is, So make it fun. Make it fun. Step 1, beautiful paper. Make it colorful. Make it visually beautiful to you. Number 2, look at it daily. Number 3, radiate love to it. Now, one exception for those of you that cannot hang it in your room because you live with other people and you don't want them to see it, there are some apps you can use, and I'm going to put those apps, I'm just getting attacked by a tree. The apps I will put the links to down below for those of you that want to keep it private on your iPad or your iPhone and just look at it when you can, when there's no one around. Okay, so I did do another vision board YouTube where I actually showed you the ones I did and all the stuff that manifested off it the last time I was back in Australia, and I'd gone into storage at my mum's place and I'd found them all. So if you want to have a look at those, I will put the little pop-up here next to my head and you can have a look. All right, let me know about your vision boards. Let me know if you're doing one. Let me know what you want. Woo, 2022. Very exciting. Now I'm going to try and cross the road and not get hit by a Tesla, because every third person in London drives one of those bloody cars and they're electric and you can't hear them. I don't want to end up as roadkill. Lots of love, everyone.